we've got the 1.6 diesel Ford Focus.
So we're going to carry out the service reset on this Ford Focus. So what we need to do is press the accelerator pedal right to the floor and the brake pedal at the same time. Then turn the ignition key on and wait. And there we go. Service oil reset complete. Switch ignition off, start the vehicle, and we're all done. And then the next time we start it, back to normal. So I hope that helps you out. Just a quick demonstration there on how to reset that service indicator light on the dashboard. That goes for the 2011 to 2015 model years. So drop me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.